Direct recently you had your parang script reading ng I'm Drunk, I Love You. Kumusta? It's grabe yung reception sa mga fans ng movie at sa mga fans nung nagbasa nung script.
Ah, di ko in-expect actually na darating yung time na mababasa yung yung script na nasa queer lens. So I'm really happy. Sabi ko nga para nag-post ako sa IG after that reading na siya, something na I will never forget. Parang na siya, nasa core memory ko na yung experience na yon, yung 2 hours na reading na yon with Maki, Justin, Yani, and Benedict. So, sobrang happy to have experienced that at nagawa.
Aside from doing that during the Pride Month, what made you decide to make it parang in a queer version naman and to make it the script reading?
Actually, pinilit ako nito net na gawin.
Direct to that.
Parang, ano naman, kasi yung kwento naman nun ay from personal experience. So, ayun, parang feeling ko, dahil magya 10 years na rin, yung I'm Drunk next year, and 10th year this year nung natapos namin yung script. So, ayun, masaya lang experience.
Yan na ba yung glimpse or clue ng mga fans ng movie pagdating sa sa sequel?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Malay mo, na lang, reboot, charing.
Talaga?
Parang I'm drunk, pero mga bakla, charing.
In the works, matagal nang in the works, di ba?
Yung sequel, yes. Pero marami lang mga problems with, issues lang with the production, syempre, nag-pandemic. So, medyo maraming kailangang ayusin muna.
Pero tuloy, that's on the record.
Hindi ko sure. Sana.
Okay,
Oo.
okay.
May script naman eh.
Hopefully ba magbabalik sila Maha, sila Paolo, and the rest of the gang, sila Jasmine?
Sana. Oo. Parang masaya pa rin to make that part 2 na sila pa rin with everyone na gumawa ng first film.
Thank you.